As I said in the previous video, I was going to add more paragraphs and headlines to the sales page template without recording it because you've already seen me do it, so I don't want to be too repetitive here. But anyhow, I've just finished adding all the text that I need for this sales page. Okay, and the last thing I have to do here is the buy now buttons, which I want to talk about in this video. And so I'm going to be using the buttons that came with this template just for this demonstration. Of course, if you want to use your own buy now buttons, you could do that. So let's just take a look at this one. If I wanted to add a link to this, click on that and you could go to set action, and you have a few options from here. You could go to the next step in the funnel. So if you have an order form, for example, if you choose this, the customers will be brought to the order form if you have an order form in your funnel. You could also go to a website URL. So if you're using another platform such as Wire Plus or JVZoo, you could enter the URL to the checkout page on those websites. Okay, you could also do a Facebook opt-in, or you could open a pop-up, or you could go here and select submit order. So basically, when they click the button, it's going to submit the order. And in order for an order to be submitted, you need to go to the settings here and click on general, and where it says on submit, go to, and you could enter the URL of the checkout page if you're using a different platform. Now, if you want to use a different button, what you could do is you could delete this and you just click on any of these things here where it says add new element, and you could go to add an image. Okay, click on that, and then you would just choose your image from here. You could upload it, and then you would enter the link URL down here. Okay, another alternative is to add new element, and instead of selecting image, you could go to button, and then just click on button, and you could edit this button right here. So you could edit the text on there. You could set the action. Again, similar to this order button right here. Now let's take a look at the other buy now buttons. This would be the same thing. You just set the action here, and there's a link here where it says click here to add this for only $37. So this is not a button. What you could do here is just click on that and click on this little pencil icon here, and you could add the URL link right here.